Everyone knows that the way to attraction is through the senses. The eye sees, the ears hear, and the skin feels. But what of smell? Does it not play a part in attraction? Well, yes. Humans are highly attuned to how someone smells, and in many cases, this will be either a positive or negative factor in whether we like someone or not. So if you want to attract people to your brand and make them more likely to buy your products and services, then you need to understand how they perceive your brand's scent. Is it pleasant? Does it remind them of something? What is the attraction? What is the science of attraction? The subject has been studied for a long time, but many questions remain unanswered. Can we really be attracted to people based on their pheromones, or is it all in our heads? Well, there is no doubt that pheromones do play a big role in the way we perceive others. However, let us not forget that attraction has so many more variables. Research has shown that certain characteristics are more attractive than others. This can help you better understand what makes someone attractive to you and where you may fall short in the eyes of others. The science of attraction is not as hard to understand as most people think. In this article, I'll break it down step by step and show you exactly what it takes to make someone fall in love with you. First, let's dispel the myth that there is no such thing as the one for each and every person on this planet. This simply isn't true. Many people find the one, but many more never do. That said, there are certain behaviors you can adopt to make yourself more attractive to the opposite sex. Romance is a very powerful force in the human experience. It has the power to transform your life and shape your destiny. You can learn a lot about attraction from the science of psychology. It's true that attraction is not only a physical phenomenon, but also an emotional one. In the end, you are drawn to people who make you feel good about yourself. The sexiness of a person can be triggered by a number of factors, which include his or her voice, body language, and even odor. A person's style, attitude, and intelligence are also important traits. Everyone wants to be attractive. We all want to be accepted by others and to be liked. But what attracts people? What makes someone cute or handsome? In this video, we will discuss the psychology behind attraction. In romantic relationships, it is often said that men are the ones who fall in love more easily than women. However, research has shown that women are actually just as likely as men to fall for the wrong reasons. This video looks at why people fall for each other and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage in dating. How can you use the science of attraction to get any woman to want you? It's easier than you think. If you've ever tried to make a woman feel attraction for you, then you know that it's not as easy as it looks. You have to do a lot of work to convince her that you are a good option for her. You have to be smart about what you say and do. You have to prove yourself worthy before she'll even give you the time of day. But if you know what women are attracted to, then you can cut out all the work and get her to desire you automatically. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to be able to get any woman or man they want? It's not because they are rich or good looking, it's because they know how to use the science of attraction to get anyone attracted to them. You can use this science as well. The first step is being aware of what attracts people in general. Humans are hardwired to notice certain traits over others. For instance, we are more likely to notice someone who is physically attractive than someone who is not. This doesn't mean that everyone has a specific type they're attracted to, but some things which anyone can implement to improve their persona are effective. When you meet a girl, a lot of your interaction is based on her first impressions of you. She'll want to know if she can trust you, if she's attracted to you, and if she feels safe with you. If she doesn't feel safe, she'll try to push you away. That's why it's important to build attraction in the first few minutes so that she wants to stick around and talk to you. One of the most important things you need to know is that girls love mystery. That's why if you're trying to pick up a girl, you want to keep her guessing and leave her wanting more. No matter who you are or what your social status is in society, the first impression on a girl is the most important one because it will determine whether or not she will ever speak to you again. She's going to judge everything about you within the first 10 seconds of meeting you, so it's crucial that you look good and confident. The next thing you need to know is how to get the first impression of a girl. What are the best ways to impress a girl? What are the common mistakes in impressing girls? I have provided link in the description, check it out. To learn the science of attraction, subscribe and hit the bell icon, or you can join us at thenerdsclub.com.